Why do we need trigonometry? I think that is a reasonable question that many students could be wondering about. Hello everyone, welcome to Maths the Mind. I'm your host Umar.
And I'm Robot. We will be with you guys for today and we will go through the topic fundamental of trigonometry and learn together. So Umar, back to the question, why do we need trigonometry?
Trigonometry has a few real-life functions such as to find angles and distance, and it is also used in science, engineering and video games. Perhaps the most obvious function is navigation, especially for boats.
Wow, can you give detailed explanation about this?
Yes, of course. For example, when you are sailing at the sea and where you end up is affected by the direction in which you steer, the speed at which you travel in that direction, and the direction and the speed of the tide. You can be motoring in one direction, but the tide could be coming from one tide and push you to the other. This is where you need trigonometry to work out how far you will travel and in what precise direction. Interesting, right? Maybe you can see more clearly from this.
That's very good. So, trigonometry is all about triangles, right?
Yes, and more especially, it is all about right-angled triangles, where one of the internal angle is 90 degrees. So the trigonometry is a system that will help you to work out missing sides or angles in a triangle. What we need to take note about the right-angled triangle is that all sides cannot be same length. Let me show you the typical right-angled triangle for trigonometry. The little box in the corner indicates a right angle, and another angle is often labeled as theta. Then we need to be familiar with the three sides of triangle: opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. The longest side is called the hypotenuse, while the side next to theta is called adjacent, and the opposite side of the theta is called opposite. Is there a maths formula that talks about this, robot?
Yes, of course. Let's take a look at the formula. There are three basic functions in trigonometry called sine, cosine, and tangent. In order to remember this formula easily, we use the expression SOH, CAH, TOA. I think you guys must be familiar with this expression, right?
Then let's go to see what is the Polytechnic's student understanding about the trigonometry.
And now, let's go to have the interview session with the students regarding the topic Fundamental of Trigonometry.
Trigonometry is the study of the relationship between the sides of a right-angled triangle.
Right-angled triangle is a triangle which has an angle 90 degrees.
Yes, I remember the expression of so, cha and tua when learning the trigonometry.
The profession used trigonometry the most is civil engineers.
I think it is quite confusing to deal with the side of the triangle, so I need to learn more about this topic.
Trigonometry may not have all that many everyday applications, but it does help you to work with triangles more rapidly. So I hope you guys have learned a lot from this video about trigonometry.
See you in the next video and thank you for watching.